Hi there everyone, welcome to Wednesday. I hope that you're all okay. To all the family members and subscribers, as always, thank you for being here. I appreciate each and every one of you. Please keep the comments coming and please hit that like button if YouTube will allow you. Why you can't, I really don't know. Right folks, another taste test. And this one is a specially selected, made with 100% British beef, steak hash, tender British beef, roasted potatoes and sweet onion in a wonderfully warming real ale gravy. And that's it. And this is £3.29 from Aldi. Cooks for 25 minutes in the oven at 170, which I have done. Ingredients: 32% potato, 19% beef, Ruddles best ale 8%, corn flour, beef dripping 2%, rapeseed oil, demerara sugar, beef stock, tomato puree, onions, carrots, red wine, salt, Worcester sauce, ginger powder, lemon juice concentrate, ground cloves, chilli powder, garlic puree, beef gelatine, brown sauce, tamarind paste, ground allspice, black pepper, thyme and parsley. The nutritional information is there, should you wish to stop the video and take a look. And I will show you what it looks like, straight out of the oven. As I say, £3.29. So, down to the taste test. So let's see what it's about. We'll try one of the roast potatoes first. Still very hot as it's just come out of the oven. That's absolutely delightful. The potatoes cook perfectly. The outer skin's got a crunch on it. It's very soft in the inside. The gravy is absolutely superb. Really, really nice. I'm losing it there, look, and here's the onion. The onion's sweet. Very, very tasty indeed. Right, got a lump of the steak there, look. And that is a lump. The steak's lovely. It's very tender. Got a lovely flavour with it. Really nice. So far so good. Everything about this is superb. There's another 4 big pieces of steak in here. And as I say, it's just so tender, it's falling apart. There's some more. It's got a savouriness to it, it's got a sweetness to it. Very good. I can recommend this one without a doubt. This is lovely. £3.29 from Aldi. You can't go wrong. Wow. The flavours are absolutely amazing. Everything works well together. This is one of the nicest hashes that I've ever had. Not as good as homemade, of course, but yeah, it's absolutely packed with flavour. Everything is cooked perfectly. And, you know, just look at the chunks of beef in there, steak. Excellent. Absolutely melts in the mouth. Nothing not to like about this. As a ready meal, this is absolutely superb. There it is, folks. As a score, I'm going to give this 10 out of 10 all day long. Can recommend it, and I would definitely buy this one again. £3.29, and it's a decent portion of food. Very impressed. Right everyone, I'm going to leave the video there for now. I hope you've enjoyed what you've seen. Again, if you have, please hit the like button if you can. Leave a comment in the box below. Hit the bell icon for any future uploads. And above all, if you've not yet subscribed, just come and join us. Won't cost you a penny. Helps the channel grow and we become part of that bigger community. So as always, I will say to each and every one of you, Namaste. Enjoy the rest of Wednesday, everybody. Bye for now.